a big thing that helped me in my life is that you know, I was never closed-minded. I was never, you know, a person to like not take opportunities when I had them right in front of me. You know, I was a person that liked change. You know, a big percentage of people in this world do not like change. That's the reason why they don't have success in their lives. That's the reason why, you know, they're not where they're at. You know, that's the reason why they don't go to their fullest potential, because they don't go out there and get it. They don't go out there and think that they have the right, you know, the right energy, the right mindset to go out there and get what they really deserve in life. And that's something I already knew. Like, you know, I already knew that I was freaking wealthy before I was wealthy, if that makes sense. I already knew that I was going to become a fucking millionaire. I already knew I was going to become a freaking phenomenal, inspirational person. You know, somebody that somebody that knew that I could do a lot of things in my life, man. It was because of me. The person in the mirror every single day that you wake up in life, you got to look at that person in the mirror, man. That's the person that's going to make a change in your life. Not your mom, not your dad, not your brothers, not your sisters, not your uncles, not your Uncle Bob. You know, every single day you got to wake up and you got to know that it's time to get it, man. It's time to get it. It's time to get it right now, not tomorrow, man. But literally, the person in the mirror, man, is the person who's going to really make a change in your freaking life, and that's going to be you, man. So always keep focused. Always remember that. Daily grind vlog, I don't know, 101. So, poor people, they measure in money, right? Poor people measure in money. Wealthy people measure in time. Which one do you really prefer, money or time, right? Obviously both, right? But the whole concept of this is to buy time. You can only do so much with money. But when you have a lot of time, it's a lot of things that you can do with time, right? So when you have a lot of money coming in every single day, you use that to your advantage to grow, to have more time, to build more, you know, to build more businesses and travel the world and enjoy your life as well. But there's two types of people, like I was telling you guys before. You know, people that work really, really, really hard for money, trading time for money, little money, or there's people that actually know how to make money, figure out a solution, right? Figure out a solution to start building money, dollars on top of dollars, right? And that's something you gotta figure out. Something you gotta figure out what you want to do right now. If you know, further down the road, do you still want to be stuck in the same position that you are right now, that you were doing 3 to 5 years ago? Or do you actually want to change your routine on a daily basis? Start looking at the people that have what you want, the results that you want. Stop listening to these people. You know, but like I said before, you know, the most expensive thing in this economy is a broken mindset. That somebody is so closed-minded. That's a very, very expensive thing that can cost you a fortune.